Hello viewers, this is Devinder Kaur and welcome to my YouTube channel The Enlightened Room. In this video, we are going to study about the molecules of compounds. In the previous video sections, we had studied about what are molecules of the element, because as we are talking about the molecules, there are different types of molecules. That means molecules of element, molecules of compound, molecules of substance, etc. So today we are going to study about the molecules of the compound. Okay. So as we are talking about compound, what is a compound? Of course, which is made of two or more types of elements. So that is what molecule of a compound is. Molecule of a compound is a compound in which more than one type of atoms are involved. For example, water. Water has two types of elements. That means atoms of two types of elements like hydrogen and oxygen. Okay, hydrogen and oxygen are combined with each other by a fixed ratio to give us a molecule of a compound, that means molecule of water. Similarly, we have carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide there is carbon and oxygen. Okay, carbon and oxygen molecules are combined to make a new compound, that is carbon dioxide, and these molecules are combined in a very fixed ratio. Okay, as we were talking about the water, in the water there is a fixed ratio, that is 1:8. This fixed ratio is by mass, that is 1:8, and similarly for carbon dioxide there is a fixed ratio by mass, and that is 3:8. So as we are talking about the molecules of compounds, there are different types of compounds too, right? For example, in the molecules of element, we had started with the monoatomic. Okay, but because there were only one type of element was present, but as we are talking about compound, this is not possible, right? So we will start with the diatomic molecules. In diatomic molecules, each molecule, one molecule of each element of two elements is combined with each other to give us a compound. For example, hydrochloric acid. The formula of hydrochloric acid is HCl, and in this hydrogen and chlorine are combined with each other to give us hydrochloric acid. You can take many examples like carbon monoxide is there. Okay, carbon monoxide, of course there is carbon and oxygen are combined with each other, but the ratio of combining of carbon and oxygen is quite different as compared to the carbon dioxide and carbon monoxide. Okay, now let's talk about the triatomic molecules. Now in triatomic molecules, of course there is a difference. There would be one molecule extra for the two elements, or there would be three elements making a compound. Okay, for triatomic molecule, well, you can take the example of water, of carbon dioxide we just had studied, right? You can take more examples, but the number of molecules, the number of atoms or number of molecules should be 3, and that would give us triatomic molecule. Next comes tetraatomic molecule. Well, in tetraatomic molecule, what happens? Of course, there would be, as we are talking about tetra means 4. So there would be 4 types of elements, or 4 atoms would be present of different elements, giving us a tetraatomic molecule. For example, we have ammonia, okay, we have hydrogen peroxide, H2O2. This gives us tetraatomic molecule. So you can keep on continuing like pentaatomic, hexaatomic, octaatomic, etc. and you will call these polyatomic molecules or polyatomic molecules of element. So as you will keep on studying, you will get to know more and more molecules. Okay, so this is up for today's video. Stay tuned to my channel and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this, and hit the bell icon. Thank you so much.